I get this question a lot, and it is kind of my own question every time I come up with a YouTube channel idea. So if you are wondering if your YouTube channel idea will get monetized or not, or if you already have a YouTube channel but you are not sure, this video is for you. Hopefully, this is the last video you need to watch to get the answer, because in this video, I'm bringing you a full list of channels that can't get monetized on YouTube. So let's start with the first one, sleep sounds. Any kind of video that uses relaxing music or any other type of music with stock footage cannot be monetized, even when the music is copyright free. This type of content can no longer be monetized on YouTube. I'm mentioning this first by choice because channels focusing on sleep sounds or similar content are still a trend, and many people encourage others to start such channels, but
we don't do that.
This kind of channel can no longer be monetized on YouTube. You know, channels like sleep sounds, ocean waves, meditation, ASMRs, white noise, forest sounds, or any similar videos. Okay, next up we have compilations. Compilations cannot be monetized on YouTube. This includes anything from TikTok compilations to movie scenes, sport highlights, YouTubers highlights, celebrities highlights, or any kind of compilations where you are not the original creator of the material. Well, this makes sense because the content is not yours, and when you put together a lot of content that is not yours to create a new video, the video is not considered yours either. As a result, you cannot make money with it, and that's the only explanation it needs. Next, we have motivational videos. By motivational videos, I'm referring to all videos that somebody else is talking. If you have seen any motivational videos on YouTube, you understand what I mean. Motivational videos typically involve someone like Jordan Peterson speaking either in the original video or combined with the stock footage. But unfortunately, this kind of content cannot be monetized on YouTube because, once again, the person speaking is not you and you do not have the permission to use that. Therefore, you don't have the permission or eligibility to make money with it, even if you alter, combine, or add things in video editing. I'm not only talking about motivational videos, it applies to any videos that use somebody else's speech as the main content. Moving on, we have reaction videos. This might surprise you because there are many reaction channels on YouTube and a lot of them are monetized. When I say reaction videos, I mean the exact thing you are thinking about when someone reacts to a video, sound, or a music or anything else. First of all, this kind of video actually can get monetized, but it's too risky. As I mentioned, the content, speech, music, or anything else you're reacting to is not yours. Even if the owner gives you permission to react or has no issue with it, that's not always the case. And even if they grant permission initially, they can change their minds anytime. I won't delve deeply into this, but reaction videos cannot monetize or are considered too risky. Not only reaction videos, but also videos like song reviews or movie reviews, where the original content has been used. But the last one is adult content, which is obvious and doesn't need an explanation. Adult content cannot be monetized on YouTube. Now, I'm sure that these 5 or 6 type of channels that I mentioned answer 80% of the questions, but there's still something that lots of people think about, and that is AI and whether it can be monetized or not. So I'm going to answer the question, can AI generated content get monetized? Well, the short answer is yes. YouTube doesn't have lots of problem with AI generated content. However, there's one thing that's important. Your content should not be repetitive and you should not automate the content creation process. As I said, yes, YouTube doesn't have any problem with AI generated content, but it does have issues with automated content and low quality content in large quantities. The main question is how you are using AI in your content creation process. For example, if you are writing the script yourself and only using AI for voiceover or even some parts of video editing or in thumbnail creation or description writing, that's totally okay. But if you are using AI to generate title, then a script, then voiceover, then editing the whole video and finally writing the description and uploading the video without any manual input, this is considered repetitive and automated content and it cannot get monetized. YouTube doesn't provide a very obvious explanation of what kind of AI generated content can't get monetized, but it's clear that automated content cannot be monetized. So as I said, the most important thing when using AI to generate your content is how much you are using AI. Is it the whole process or just some parts of the video? Okay, next I'm going to give you 10 other things that can get your channel demonetized. And even if you are monetized, get you demonetized. First of all, overall, you should not use others' content without permission. Any kind of content with any length cannot be included in your video if that piece of content is not yours. Second, avoid using copyrighted music. Third, do not excessively automate your content creation. Any kind of automation can get you demonetized. For example, do not have two videos with the same title on your channel. Do not let AI write the script of your videos, and overall, do not automate your content creation excessively. Fourth, do not mislead viewers with false titles or thumbnails. Being clickbait is not only bad and does not only ruin your reputation, but it can also get you demonetized. So when you are titling your video or designing a thumbnail for your video, do not use clickbait. Also, do not promote dangerous or harmful activities like pranks or illegal activities or any other kind of harmful activities. Also, avoid scam or fraud content. Respect privacy. Do not share personal info. Also, keep mature themes away from kids content. When you are uploading your video, you have the option to choose whether your video is for kids or not. If you choose this option imprecisely, it can get you demonetized. Also, do not treat sensitive topics carelessly. Do not incite hate, discrimination, or harassment. Avoid adult content and nudity. Avoid promoting illegal activities or including any metadata in the description. And do not create content promoting violence. If you don't do any of those, I can guarantee you will get monetized. So as a conclusion, anytime you have an idea for a new channel and want to explore the possibility of getting monetized, or if you already have a channel and want to see if it gets monetized or not, there are two questions, in my opinion, that by answering them, you can predict precisely whether a channel will get monetized or not. These two questions are the most important questions that you should ask yourself. First of all, is your content 100% original? And second of all, is your content repetitive? For the first question, which is your content 100% original? Your answer should be yes. And for the second question, is your content repetitive? Your answer should be no. If it's so, you will not have any problem with monetization. But keep in mind, for the first question, which was, is your content 100% original? I'm talking about 100% original. Even if your content is 95% original and you use or have used or want to use any kind of content in your video that you do not have the permission to use it, it can get you in trouble. Even if it's just a scene from a movie or a talk show or anything like that. So everything in your video should be yours, or you should have the permission to use it. If there's any kind of element in your video that is not yours, you're walking on a tight line. And about the second question, is it repetitive? If you are automating your content creation process in any way, you are in danger. If you are using the same title, or if you are using the same type of title, or using the same keywords with different variation in your titles, are all of your thumbnails the same? And about the script, are you automating the script writing process? Are you using other people's content for other parts of the video? If you are automating this process in any way, it could be dangerous. That's it. I hope that this video was precise enough to give you the final answer to whether your channel can get monetized or not. But I should emphasize the fact that nothing in this video that I have said is 100% true all the time. At the end of the day, YouTube decides whether your content or your channel can get monetized or not. The only thing we can do is avoid things that get us demonetized, and second of all, hope for the best. Some people might not agree, but I believe that you should be skeptical. You should be paranoid when creating content and avoid all things that I mentioned in video at any cost. That way, your monetization can be guaranteed. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments, and also share any experiences you have had with monetization on YouTube. Also, if you are planning on starting a YouTube channel or already have one and need any content creation assistance like video editing or script writing or even thumbnail creation, you can check out our website and work with us like many other big YouTubers and YouTube channels. That's it for this video. Hope you like it, and catch you in the next one.